Banksias are striking and attractive evergreen shrubs and trees that are native to Australia. Part of the Protea family, they range from spreading ground covers, to low-growing shrubs to full-size trees reaching heights of 30 to 60 feet. These plants usually have tough, two-toned, and often serrated leaves and large uniquely shaped, honey-rich flowers in shades of greenish-white, yellow and orange through to red. The flowers are attractive to nectar-feeding birds and other beneficial insects. Banksias are generally not cold-hardy, some can tolerate light freezing but not hard freezes. They usually start blooming in fall through spring depending on the variety. Some of the Banksia species are adapted to bushfires as they have fire-tolerant trunks and their seed pods will only pop open when exposed to prolonged heat. Banksias are grown from seed and it often takes a little longer to germinate. The pods need to go into the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to allow the follicles to open in order to retrieve the seeds. Banksias grow best in well-draining, acidic, sandy loam soil. If you have clay soil, add a generous amount of compost and some gypsum to improve drainage. Banksias are susceptible to root rot, so make sure the soil is never soggy. They will flourish in dry, hot climates as long as they get full sun and plenty of air circulation. Water Banksia regularly for the first 2 years until the plant is established. They are drought tolerant once established, so water deeply during extended period of hot weather only. Mulching a layer of compost or pine bark and leaves once a year in the fall should be sufficient feeding for the plant. Using chemical fertilizer is not necessary and Banksias are highly sensitive to phosphorus. Pruning is generally not required. Deadheading spent flowers and removing any dead or dying wood will suffice. Banksias flower on old wood, so be careful not to cut them, otherwise you'll lose next year's flowers. Trim and shape the plant while it's young so that it develops a compact, bushy habit. There are no pests issues with Banksia. The things to avoid are overwatering and using high phosphorus fertilizer. Banksias are low-maintenance plants if grown in the right location. The bottle brush-like flowers make excellent cut flowers and have a long vase life. If you leave them out of water and let them dry indoors, they can last for a very long time. Thank you for watching.